quadratic form to canonical. Now the question will come. Reduce the quadratic form. The form will be like that. 3x square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus 2xy minus 2yz into canonical form. Canonical. Canonical form. By orthogonal transformation. This is the question. Okay, one you see we are not at all getting any matrix. अपने पास मैट्रिक्स ही नहीं है. Okay, एक इक्वेशन second degree equation है. So we are learning now how we are converting, even though equations, quadratic equation, that how we are converting into the matrix. And now ये क्वेश्चन को आपको तीन अलग अलग मेथड से पूछ सकता है एग्जाम में. पहला मेथड, ओनली क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म को मैट्रिक्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ओनली हाउ टू कन्वर्ट quadratic form to matrix form, 2 marks question. Okay, quadratic form to matrix form, 2 marks question. Orthogonal transformation का definition 2 marks का individual question. Canonical form is also individual question, but I don't want to make you confused. पर पहले तो solution start कर देंगे.
Okay.
Solution given quadratic form is what? 3x square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus 2xy minus 2yz. ठीक है, इसमें xz वाला टर्म नहीं है. देखिए xy है, yz है. We don't have any another combination, so
Yes.
0xz also we can write. But ये 0xz is your optional. तो एक काम करेंगे, ऑप्शनल को अपन अलग कलर से दे दें. ये आपका ऑप्शनल वर्क है.
Okay.
0xz. This is your optional work. Now we are
Okay.
converting into the matrix form. Look at that. Concept is very careful. मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले the order is 3 by 3 only because 3 variables are there, so order is 3 by 3. Yeah, square terms should come in diagonal. 3 2 3. See, I will tell you the general representation of matrix. Generally we represent a matrix like that. A11, I have shown this one already. A12,
Yes.
A13, A21, A22, A23, A31,
31, 32, 33.
A32. That suffix represent the actual location of that element. Understand?
Okay.
So these locations are confirmed. Diagonal square terms will comes in diagonal. Now
Okay.
x stands for 1, suffix 1. Y stands for suffix 2. Means we are talking about this particular position and this particular position. 1 2 and 2 1. How to
Okay.
get it that? How to get it that? This one we have to divide with 2. Always इसको diagonal element के लिए स्क्वायर को कुछ डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. But for 1 2 and 2 1, if you divide with 2, what is your answer? Tell me. Divide with 2 means minus 1, minus 1, like that. Divide with 2. Similarly, this one also divide with 2. Means we are talking about this position and this position. 3 2
Yeah.
3. this position and this position is also fill up. But here in our question, particularly why I am choosing this question to give you the concept, sometimes some variables are absent. Here 0 XZ means one third and third one position. These two positions are vacant. Means we put 0 here.
Okay.
Like that, the matrix will become. ये 2 marks का question हो गया. Understand?
Okay.
This is one question for 2 marks we have completed. So it is actually -1. This is 0 and this is 0. So after this
Okay.
one, again the process will be same. What process? We have to find out its कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन. देखो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन बार बार आ आइगन वैल्यूज में भी था,
जी.
टेली हैमिल्टन में भी था, एंड नाउ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में भी है. वही काम करना है जो अभी तक करे. व्हाट इज दैट वर्क? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Understand?
Yeah.
This implies are you getting my point? हर चीज समझ में आ रही है ना आपको डिटेल में? आप प्रैक्टिस करना
जी.
रहता बस आपका काम. It is 3 minus lambda. It is -1 0. It is -1. It is 2. It is -1. It is 0. It is -1. It is 3. Only lambda value subtract here. Only lambda value subtract here. Diagonal में change करना है. It is equal to 0.
Mm.
Now I have shown the rule. The rule is plus minus.
Minus
Plus is the
plus.
rule. Find out, get the eigenvalues. This implies 3 minus lambda if you consider. Corresponding column and row we have to neglect.
Yes.
2 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda is left over here, AD minus 1 1 the 1. Second element with minus sign, minus into minus plus. Column and row we neglect. Minus 1 into 3 minus lambda, AD minus 0 into anything, or plus 0 into anything is 0. Plus from the last, whatever you are doing, that is become 0. No need to do here. करना भी नहीं, time waste भी नहीं करना. 3 minus
Okay.
lambda, last row anyhow 0. This is into first element should multiply with first element 3 to the 6. This one minus 2 lambda. This one minus 3 lambda. This one minus into minus plus lambda square. And don't
Yeah.
forget we have minus sign 1 also is there. Plus 1 into this is minus 3.
3
Minus into minus plus lambda and 0 no need of
plus.
writing is equal to 0. This implies that 3 minus lambda into, write in a proper order. First lambda square term. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 lambda.
Minus 5 lambda.
6 minus 1 is plus 5. And then if you multiply with 1 also, plus into minus minus 3. And then plus lambda is equal to 0. This 3 should multiply with every term of this bracket, which will give you 3 lambda square minus 15 lambda minus, plus 5 3 is a 15. And then we have minus lambda cube, minus into minus plus 5 lambda square, minus 5 lambda, plus, minus 3. You have to be very patient when you're solving this. If you are doing a single minus plus mistake, the whole answer will go. Minus lambda cube. Now see, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 lambda square. Now see lambda values. Minus 15 minus 5. Minus 15 minus 20 plus lambda means minus 5, 15 minus 5 minus 20 plus 1 means minus 19 lambda. Now how many constant terms are there? 5 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is plus 12 is equal to 0. And because of minus sign, we have to multiply with minus lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 19 lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. For eigenvalues, for eigenvector, and for Kelly Hamilton, we are doing the same part. Now,
Yeah.
after solving this, if you use the calculator, we are getting our eigenvalues are calculator से इसको solve करना है. Don't waste your time. Lambda values are after solving with the help of the calculator 1, 3 and 4 are the eigenvalues. इसको calculator से solve करने से 1, 3 और 4 इसके eigenvalues आ रहे. मैं आपको छोटा सा वेरिफिकेशन बता दूं 1 कैसा आ रहा. देखो इसका
जी
कोएफिशिएंट 1, लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1 इसमें रख दिए. दिस इज 1
जी
प्लस 19 20. ये -8 -12 इज -20 मींस लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1 डेफिनेटली सेटिस्फाई.
ये
ये जो है करेक्ट है बोल के आपको पता चल. नेक्स्ट पेज. नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द केस 1 which we have already discussed in eigenvalue. Same concept. इसका पीडीएफ भी शो करा मैं आपको बता दिया था. Lambda is equal to 1 and now taking capital X1 is equal to X1, X2, X3 be the corresponding eigenvector. So where to plug it and how to solve it, we have already shown this process, but still we have to do it one more time. This value we have to plug it and simplify here. यहाँ पे रखना पड़ता. ठीक है ना. 3 minus
ओके
1 2, 2 minus 1 0. तो चलिए यहाँ पर रख देते हैं अपन. 2 minus 1 0 a special case we are dealing. Now if you plug it here, ठीक है. यहाँ पर 1 रखते हैं. -1 1 minus -1 plus 1 minus. No, not again. Lambda is equal to 1 we are putting. 0 minus 1, it is 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay,
ये
so it is 0 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, into ऑलरेडी आइगन वैल्यूज आइगन वेक्टर में अपन कर चुके हैं. बार बार बोल रहा हूँ.
जी
into
सन
0.
x3
Yes, any doubt?
नो
Yes. So convert this into the equations. The first equation is 2x1 minus x2 plus 0x3 is equal to 0. First equation I am taking. The second equation is minus x1
minus 1x1
plus
plus
x2
1x2
minus
plus
1x3
6.
is equal to 0. This is second equation. Now we have to
Yeah.
solve this equation. So x1 by, I am especially mentioning that second element should be minus sign.
Sir, third equation?
The third also I am writing with. Third equation is not necessary. Any two equation we have to solve.
Okay.
Choice is yours. Any two. Why third? No need. Time waste नहीं करना है. So
Okay.
when taking x variable we have to neglect. The leftover terms are -1, 0, 1 minus 1. When taking x2,
Oh.
x2 we have to neglect. 2, but taking minus sign. Some of the student are neglecting minus sign, which will make a lot of difference. -1 and again minus x3. x3 को neglect करेंगे. 2 -1 -1 1. x1 by minus into minus plus 1 1 1 minus 0 I'm not writing. Minus x2 by 2 into minus 1 is -2 and AD minus BC wala part I am not writing. x3 by 2 1s are 2 minus minus into minus plus 1. This
Plus
implies x1 by 1. Minus signs are cancelling here.
x2
x2
by
by
2.
2, x3 by
x3 by 2
1.
minus 1, 1.
Yeah, so capital X1 what we are getting? 1 2 1, right?
Yeah.
1 to 1. चलिए अभी
Yeah.
case 2 and then we have case 3 also. Case 2, taking lambda value is 3 and assuming that our x2 is equal to same thing. What is x2 we are assuming? x1,
2 is
x2,
equals to x1,
x3.
x2, x3.
So this x lambda is equal to 3. Take it and put here. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, 0. Next. Minus 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, AB minus. So all the three values are minus. Minus 1, minus 1, minus. Next. 0 minus 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 and this is also 0. So now tell me, my question is, actually how many rows are there?
3 by 3.
How many rows are there? कितने rows है? 3 rows है?
Rows 3, 3, 3.
नहीं 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 नहीं, अच्छा देखिए, वहां पर 2 ही रो है. फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड आर आइडेंटिकल. फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड आर
Yes, sir.
आइडेंटिकल.
Yes, sir. Only 2.
तो मैं आपको बोला था ना, आइडेंटिकल रहे तो एक ही बार गिनना उसको, 2 बार नहीं गिनना है.
Okay,
फर्स्ट
okay.
एंड थ्री आर आइडेंटिकल, तो ओनली 2 rows
Okay,
are
sir.
existing here. So solving procedure will be same again. 0x1 minus x2 plus 0x3 is equal to 0. This is minus x1. This is minus x2
Minus x2
minus
plus
x3.
x3
Minus
equals to
x3 is
0.
equal to minus. All the
Minus
values
y,
are.
sir?
Why all the values are minus now?
Okay, okay, okay.
Second element with minus sign. Third element is also with minus. Oh, sorry. Third, so only second minus. So for x variables are neglecting. Minus 1, 0. Minus 1, minus. For x2 are neglecting. 0, 0. Minus 1, minus. For x3 is neglecting. 0. Don't write minus 0, okay? 0, 0. Minus 1, minus. So this is x1 by 1 1 is 1. Minus 0 I am not writing. Minus x2 by 0 minus 0
Mm.
is equal to x3 by, even here also 0 plus 0. But if you neglect the 0 part, you get x1 by 1 is equal to x2 by, yes, tell me what vector we are getting last x3. X3 is, this is, oh, 0 into anything is 0. X3 is 0 0 minus 1 minus. X3 is 0. नो यहाँ पर गलत हो गया है. 0 यहाँ पर आना -1. आप देख रहे हैं? देखो छोटी सी
Yes.
मिस्टेक मेरे से भी हो सकती है. यहाँ पर x3 के कोफिशिएंट को अपन गलत लिख दिए. जरा देखिए आप. टेल मी व्हाट आर x3 if you neglect. 0 -1 will get here ना.
0 minus 1.
अपन 0 0 लिख दिया ना जल्दी में, तो गलती हो
G.
जाती. x1 by 1 1 1 minus 0, no need of writing. x2 by 0 minus 0 is 0 only. x3 by,
0
but here there is a difference. This is 0 minus 1.
minus 1.
This is implies that x1 by 1. This is minus x2 by
Right.
0. Even if you bring 0 for denominator, minus also 0, same only. x3 by -1. So what
Minus 1.
x2 vector we are getting, tell me?
1 0 minus 1.
Exactly correct. 1 0 minus 1. ये आ गया आपका x2. अब नाउ केस 3.
Okay.
जो अपन आइगन वैल्यूज में करें ना, उतना वाला पार्ट सेम ही करना है. लैम्डा वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 4. Because how many eigen
So
values
this will be long question.
yeah, it is for 12 marks directly. It may
Yeah.
not get A bit, B bit.
Okay, sir.
1 we have done, 3 we have done, 4 we are dealing now.
Yeah, sir. This Subjects are for 75 marks, right, sir? The
70,
question
70,
paper?
70, 70.
70 and the passing is
28 marks.
28.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
40% of your total marks. You
Okay,
have to
sir.
get 40% of your total marks. So your total marks is 70, and the 40% of 70 will be 28.
Okay.
And now lambda is equal to 4. How much you got it in internal exam? Tell me. Do you have idea any? No, I think you don't have.
I have the memo, sir.
अगर आपको इंटरनल में फॉर एग्जांपल 20 आए, तो यहाँ पर खाली
जी
8 मार्क्स लाए तो भी पास हो जाते हैं। 28 टोटल लाना है।
मैं आपको मेरा मेमो भेजती हूँ, सर।
देख लीजिए, चलो
आई हैव
भेजिए।
ऑल द मेमो पीडीएफ।
क्योंकि वो टाइम पे जो रूल था ना, वो टाइम पे रूल ऐसा था, टोटली इंटरनल प्लस एक्सटर्नल इज इक्वल टू 40% ऑफ योर 100 marks.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
if you got 20 marks in your internal exam, then 8 marks are enough.
सर 8 मार्क्स के लिए इतने लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज स्पेंड करना पड़ा।
अब इस डिग्री के लिए तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना।
एंड देन आई डिड नॉट गेट माय दिस थिंग सिक लीव। मेरा अभी तक भी सिक लीव का मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं आया, सर।
मतलब आके एग्जाम लिखने के लिए।
हाँ, अभी जॉब पे मेरे को वो उससे ये कल से ये स्ट्रेस ज्यादा हो गया मेरे को, इसलिए मैं कल की क्लास ही नहीं ली, बिकॉज मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा था।
ओ राइट, सही बात।
सिक लीव नहीं दिया उन लोग, मैं फीस पे कर दिया। अगर मैं टिकट बुक कर देती तो मेरे को बहुत लॉस होता था।
फिर आप यहाँ ट्यूशन के पैसे भी अलग से पे कर रहे
वो इट्स ओके सर, बट द मेन थिंग इज लाइक जितना टिकट अभी कितना एक्सपेंसिव हो गए टिकट्स। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 2.5 lakhs
हो।
आने जाने की। एंड मैं तो इमरजेंसी में कर रही हूँ, मेरे को तो बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव पड़ा। ये डिग्री ही मेरे लिए इतनी एक्सपेंसिव हो गई कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ आपको। इतना में तो 2 बच्चे पढ़ लेते थे अगर मैं उनको पैसे दे दूं तो।
सही बात। अब ये फिर सब्जेक्ट भी सीखना भी, अब टाइम भी इसके लिए भी देना है।
जी टाइम देना है मेरा इतना, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा अभी हेल्थ पे पड़ा मुझे। जॉब भी करो, ये भी पढ़ो, घर का भी देखो।
नहीं है
व्हाट
तो।
लाइफ इज नॉट दैट इजी हियर।
We'll continue our class. -1, 0,
यस सर।
-2, -1. x2 if you neglect, -1, 0, -1, -1. x3 if you neglect, -1, -1, -1, -2. x1 by 1 1 is 1. This is minus h2 by, this is 1. No need of writing 0 part. x3 by 2 1s are 2, -1. So you can see here we get the answer is x1 by 1, and that x minus will bring to the denominator. Then x3 by again 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get our x3 value is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. So we got all the three values. यहाँ तक आइगन वैल्यूज आइगन वेक्टर में भी करें, अब यहाँ पर भी
जी
टाइप करें, यहाँ तक अपन पहले से भी कर लिए थे। अब यहाँ से जो प्रॉब्लम अलग हो रहा है वो जरा देखिए। x1 we got it what? x1 अपने को क्या आ गया देखिए।
x1
1 to 1, 1 to 1,
या 1 to 1। oh it's
right?
here।
x2 is equal to, because we are converting into the canonical form, that's what x2 is 1 0 minus. Now x3 is equal to, just now we got it. Okay, this is x1 x2 and x3 values. After that we have to find out normalized of this vector. देखिए, अगर अपन इसको x1 को मॉड्यूलस करें तो ऐसा होता है। नॉर्मलाइज मीन्स डबल मॉड वी हैव टू टेक। इसका
ओके।
नॉर्मलाइज करना, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बता दो नॉर्मलाइज कैसा करना है। एग्जांपल, अगर आपके पास कोई एक मैट्रिक्स है ABC, ओके, If you want to convert this into the normalized vector, means a double mod, it is equal to, the rule is a by root of a square plus b square plus c square, b by root of a square plus b square plus c square, and c by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Means for the denominator we have to add this matrix and like that. So let us find out the normalized of this x1, x1 का normalized कैसा करते देखिए. 1 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square means root 6. It
Okay.
is 2 by root 6. It is 1 by root 6. Similarly, normalized vector of x2. बोलिए. 1 by root 2, because
Root.
1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 square means 0 for anything is 0, minus 1 by
Yeah.
root. Similarly, normalize eigenvector for x3. This is 1 by root 3. This is minus 1 by root 3. This is plus 1 by root 3. After that, we have to frame a matrix which is called model matrix, that is denoted with P.
Okay.
This will be a matrix. असल ये होना था अपने 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6.
Model matrix.
This is model matrix. P is called model matrix. If you
N or
don't
M?
mention N or P or M, whatever, terminology may be different. P भी ले सकते हैं आप, N भी ले
No,
सकते हैं आप.
no, nodal. N or M?
N, capital N.
Okay, nodal. Okay.
You can represent with P also, no problem.
Okay.
That we have to write as a matrix. ये हो गया आपका matrix. Then we have to take the transpose of this. Transpose means simply row should be converted as a column. ये row है ना, उसको column बना दो. 1 by root 6,
Okay.
1 by root 2, 1 by root 3. This is 2 by root 6. This is 0. This is minus 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 6. This is minus 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 3. Then finally देखिए, ये आपका वेरिफिकेशन आपको होना है. कैसा होना है? If you take P transpose, ये मैट्रिक्स, into A matrix. A means this is our A matrix. This is our A matrix.
Okay.
into P matrix. इसको अगर आप ये तीनों मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपका आंसर कैसा होना? आपके आइगन वैल्यूज क्या है? आपको आइगन वैल्यूज क्या आए थे? 1 3 4 आए थे ना?
3 4.
1 3 4. तो ऐसा आना आंसर आपको 1 3 4, बाकी सब 0. दिस इज वेरिफिकेशन, फाइनल वेरिफिकेशन. अगर ऐसा हुआ तो आपके पूरे 14 मार्क्स आपको मिल जाते. ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं. ये पूरे आइगन वैल्यूज को लाके एक मैट्रिक्स बनाना है, वो मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेना, वो तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करे, तो फाइनली ये आंसर आपका वेरीफाई अगर हो रहा, होना चाहिए. मैं
Okay.
करके देख लिया हूँ. मैं आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन जो नहीं दिया आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के, मैं आपको पूरा
Okay.
करके रेडीमेड दे रहा हूँ. बस इसी को अच्छे से कर लीजिए, आपका काम हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह.
Inshallah.
ठीक है, ये भी मैं आपको पीडीएफ और रिकॉर्डिंग दोनों की भी आपको सेंड कर देता हूँ.
Okay.
We'll end up the class and we'll schedule at 3 o'clock only.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
With 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, then 5 to 6. This timings only I can keep, sir.
Okay. Right.
Not before that. If before that, you people need to report me before 2 hours,
No.
so
I
that
will take
I
3 to.
need to I need to manage at my work, or else it will be difficult.
Okay. I understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, I'll send you my memo. Please let
I'll
me
check it.
know.
I will check.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.